Welcome back to another BRG profiling video. Today's beast is owned by Jerry Perez. His 1970 Monte Carlo has a freshly built Chevrolet small block engine. Jerry spent a lot of money getting this engine built, and he's not happy with what he feels is a lack of horsepower. The car's here at BRG today to see how our Chad Hammer can get the horsepower out of this build. With Chad's years of experience, I certainly wouldn't bet against him. Keep watching. See how Chad picks up over 50 horsepower by changing a couple of parts and then dialing them in correctly. On the BRG Mustang Factory Pro Dyno. Chad initially took the car out for a test drive. He said it didn't run too bad, it just didn't have any heart. When Chad popped the hood, he found a Holley old-style 650 carburetor with vacuum secondaries. That alone is a huge red flag. The carburetor is nowhere near big enough to feed this new build, and compared to the newer carburetors, woefully inefficient in getting the liquid fuel into a fine mist. Then he looked at the distributor. It was a very dated GM HEI distributor. Those two parts alone can cost big horsepower. Enough horsepower to add up to 50? Time will tell. Chad then checked the ignition timing and found that we weren't getting the sweep that we should. The next morning, Chad put our 750 quick fuel carburetor on the motor. Talk about day and night. Throttle response, things sounded like it was getting it. Now, my job was to get Jerry, who was sick to death of spending money on this car, to spend a little bit more, but he went along with getting a 750 quick fuel carburetor and a DIY distributor. Both parts we've used numerous times with stunning result. The numbers don't lie. Jerry's car came in at 259 horsepower. We're now at 312. Torque went from 296 foot-pounds of torque to 342. Again, a great example of where experience, the right parts, the right application gives us a very positive result. The numbers are nice to know, but really, at the end of it, it's what the customer has to say. Check out what Jerry has to say about his new car. Well,
good, man.
Is that what you were expecting?
Yep.
You happy you spent the money?
Right on, man. Thanks a lot.
Huh?
Yep.
Okay. That's why I didn't want to take your money until you went out for a test drive.
Yep, because I feel the power. Yeah, it's good.
At the end of all this, what did we find wrong? The old Holley carburetor was just too small to support the horsepower. And compared to the new modern carburetors, it's inefficient at transferring the liquid fuel into a fine mist. Lastly, the vacuum secondaries weren't going full throttle. The old GM HEI distributor was not advancing the spark properly. To fix that would have cost more than what the DUI distributor costs. And the old HEI distributor doesn't have nearly as hot a spark as the DUI. So, keep this in mind. Getting horsepower out of any given engine, it's a team sport. All the parts have to be working together. If not, no matter how good that engine is, it ain't going to make horsepower. When Jerry came into BRG, frustrated was the key word. No matter how much time, effort, or money he had spent on getting the car to run the way he thought it should, it took Chad only 2 days to figure it out, sort it out, and get the power where Jerry would be happy with. Here's a side note. For those of you who are thinking about going fuel injection because you can't get your carburetor to work right, in most cases, we can get a carbureted system to work as good, if not better, than a fuel injection. And we can do it for less money. Thanks for watching. If you're having troubles with your carburetor, please keep us in mind. I know we can help. And have a good day. Thank you for watching. If you're having troubles with your carburetor, keep us in mind. We can help. And have a good day.